XCN is still coming down in this channel. We'll get into the smaller time frames in here in just a moment, but I haven't been able to look at any charts in a week now, and I'm surprised XCN is still holding up. So on the larger time frame, weekly, just to start it off with, low to the high, this thing is still technically macro bullish, even though we're down below the 618,236 here. But as long as you're above the 382 at 0097 here, this thing is still, like I said, technically bullish to go right back up at some point. So it's nowhere near over for XCN in my opinion. So just keep that in mind if you're still investing in this thing and buying the dips here. So as long as you're over that price on the macro, you are good to go. Going back down to the weekly here, we're clearly on the smaller time frames trading in this descending channel pattern here. If you go on the larger, of course, it tends to look more like a bull flag depending on what time frame you're on. But that's not a bad move. That's not a bad spot to be in for this consolidation going down and sideways after a really strong move up like we know XCN had, and now it's coming down. And like I said, you're still holding bullish over that macro 382, so we're still good over that price to be macro bullish. And all you can really do, not financial advice of course, is just buy the dips along the way here, if of course you are still bullish on the future price action for XCN to go, wherever it's going to end up going, to $1 or plus, wherever it's going to end up. But you can clearly see low to the high here, the one we've been watching. We are still down right below, getting stuck at the 618 here, trading in this channel. So we need to get back over 16 here. And then if you want another price to kind of watch to confirm a high to the low bottom in on this thing, you can see right here at the trend where it's getting stuck on these candles, 236 at 18. So a couple of prices to watch on this thing. And if we end up holding up and holding over that macro 382, at some point, we'll just take it from today. But of course, we do have the macro 786 in play here at 5.5, and that would give us about a 250% move here. So about a 3.5x from today. And I still do believe, even if we come down to the macro 0.5 and touch 6 or 11 here, at some point it's going to come up to this volume area, this cycle, and do about a 5x to 8, all the way up to about a 6.5x up to 10, and probably higher than that. And if you want the high target, I know there's prices all over the place for this thing, but the official on my chart here, 1272 retracement up here would be about 87, probably a wick above. If it's going to do that, then you'll probably end up hitting $1. And from today, if it ends up holding up for some reason, that is about a 62x from here to $1 on XCN. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.